Hello, I'm Kerryn Powell, the Network Catalyst and founder of Your Time Matters. In 2013, I started a business community where men and women could come together to network, but also to learn and to support each other. In this series of interviews, you'll meet some of the members of the community and you'll hear how we have a conversation that goes deeper than what do you do. You'll hear how they got into their business, how they help their clients, and the satisfaction that they've gained along the journey, and a little bit about why they joined Your Time Matters in the first place. I hope you enjoy the series, and I look forward to introducing you to an awesome group of business owners. Darren, tell me about you and your business.
So my business is 365 Assist, and I help businesses improve productivity, small and medium and non-profit businesses. I've got all sorts of types of businesses in different industries, from nurseries to finance companies to legal, and they need different types of help for different purposes. So some of them might need just sort of general Microsoft document management help. Some of them might need some email support, but others also I do application development or non-code application development for them. So there's a vast array, and it keeps my work really interesting, and I'm really happy to do this.
And what's your background and experience?
So I've been basically in the IT industry for many, many years. And I'm not a technical person, so I really don't officially know technology from a technical perspective. I've been a project manager, I've been a business analyst, I've been a little bit of an implementer. So it's been vast, and I've worked for consulting companies, some large companies. I've worked for NAB, and I've worked for Telstra. I've done consulting pretty much all my life, so I'm used to going into clients and helping them solve problems that are business IT related or business information system related. And that's, I think, the skill that I have that I bring towards a lot of helping a lot of companies.
And what do you enjoy about your role?
There's all sorts of things I really enjoy. One is helping customers solve the problems that they have. So usually they come to me with a business related problem, not just a technology problem, but how do I do this? How do I automate something in my, ordering system or something like that? And being able to work with them and realign the way they work and the way they do things, and use technology as the solution, the right technology as the solution they need. So it's great to work with people, and one of the things I really enjoy is going to see businesses and how they work. I really love to, both online, but more so it's nice if I can get to them in person, where I can see how their business is laid out, what they do, how they do things, meet the people that are there, what are their interests and what are their goals trying to be, both from a business perspective and a people perspective.
And you've worked with some of the YTM community. What sort of businesses have they had that you've been able to help?
Some of the businesses in YTM that I've helped some of them are accountants, and be able to help them so they improve their productivity. So that's doing things like helping them get onto Microsoft 365, helping them with their Outlook, helping them go to Sharepoint or OneDrive or Teams and training that. I've worked with some of travel people have asked, travel agents and travel people have asked for help there as well. One of the great things that YTM have given me is not just helping the members themselves, but the community of people that have actually expanded my ability to work with others that may or may not be in the community, and have great discussions as well with them, but also helping people. And we've had this being able to collaborate in passing work to each other. So I, for instance, am getting my website done, and Webby Web Design, who's one of the partners at YTM, are actually doing my new website. So it's been great to have that both sides where it's a lot of give and take, which I enjoy.
And how did you get involved in the first place? Can you remember?
No.
I do.
Well, I can't. I don't think. How did was it LinkedIn? Maybe
Meetup. He came to the Enthusiastic Business Networkers meetup, and you were the only person that came that day. and we talked for about 40 minutes. It was
Oh God, you've got
March
a better memory than me.
2020.
You've got a
Yeah.
better memory than me, Kerryn.
We had a really good long conversation. It was really good.
I think, and I'm very happy to do that because I think I was one of the things I was probably looking for, if it was in 2020 especially, I was looking for networks to get hold of, and I just didn't know. I because I've been employed with people all the time, they took care of all that side. I've never had to take care of the networking other than the networking within the customer base that my employer had. So I really didn't know where to start, and I think it was a bit of a fluke that I sort of landed with you. But I was sort of looking for, where do I start with networking? Where do I go? I had no idea, and yeah, I was very happy to be able to start with YTM. Told what you don't know, what you don't know, right? And what I haven't known, and now that I know by talking to other members, going to the sessions. The sessions are really great to hear from other people and what they achieve and what they do, and some of the ideas about marketing and about networking and about business, just business in general. I think between yourself and Lee have given some great information that I was just not too sure on, but was good to also get an understanding how that should be, and getting confirmation, or changing, or getting some advice in certain areas. So across the board, I think it's rounded my business ability, how to work as a solo operator in my own business.
If this little conversation has sparked your interest in what goes on at YTM, and maybe Darren can help you and some of the other members, reach out to me, Kerryn Powell, through LinkedIn, or you might like to take part in the event that's coming up at the end of the month, or you might consider the YTM Member Starter Package, which allows you to come along to 3 events, so you get a really good feel for the way we do things at YTM and the fantastic conversations that we have to provide support, foster community, and influence change, so that you experience business growth, but also growth and fulfillment. I'm Kerryn Powell, the founder of YTM, and it's been great being here with you today. Thanks for listening.